Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I'm playing Dove Cameron's Hello My Old Lover. Great song. Dove is connected to Devin and David. Love them both. Let's go into this Hello My Old Lover song. And we're gonna do that with capo on first. Okay, best scenario for us. And with that, we have a couple of chords to go over. Let's start with them like we usually do. And G, that's the first chord. Gonna play third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord is D, and that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. E minor next, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have A, open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We got the B minor as well. So that's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the second fret. You push down all strings except for the last E string in the bass. You don't need that one. Then you also need to add fourth D, fourth G, and third B. And then we also got some new chords for the last chorus. Okay, so we're gonna go with E, and that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We got the F sharp minor, which is another bar chord, still on the second fret. This time all strings is barred there on the second fret, and then you need to add fourth A and fourth D. We also got the B chord, and you can do that this bar on the second fret, 5 strings, as in the B minor, and then you need to add fourth D, fourth G, and fourth B. You could also go with a second bar there on the fourth position and just place it in the front of the second fret, so like that. Stay away from the last E string then, because usually you will touch that E string with a second bar, so play on the mid strings if you go with this version of grip on the B. And finally we have the C sharp minor. A bar still now on this fourth fret. This is where you need to place your index finger, 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 G, and 5th on B. And there we have all the chords. Now the good part is we're just gonna work with simple downs, okay? So just straight downs. So this song actually starts with the chorus, and we're gonna go through the chords now. In this first chorus, we're just gonna play 1 down per chord, okay? We're gonna play a little differently later on for the rest of the song, but just 1 down on this first chorus. So we're gonna play G, then D, then E minor, and then A, and then G, D, and A. And all that is 1 chord progression round. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds, okay? So that is how you do 1 round. You double up for 2 rounds, and that's the first chorus. Then starts the first verse, and it's about 27 seconds in. So yes, we're gonna start with the downs now, and what you're gonna play is D, 4 downs, B minor 4, G 4, and A 4. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. Let's do 1 round together, 4 times per chord, D, B minor, G, and A. Let's go. Second round like that in the same way, and that is the first verse, okay? In the end of the verse, once you play these 2 rounds, you're gonna end with B minor, 1 down, and a pause, and that pause, the length on that is as if you would play 4 downs on that B minor, so 2, 3, 4, and then you do the same with the final chord in the verse, which is the A. And a pause afterwards, as if you would play 4 downs on A. So B minor, 2, 3, 4, and A, 2, 3, 4. And that ends the verse. So to summarize that verse, we had 4 downs on the following chords: D, B minor, G, and A. You play that for 2 rounds, and then you end with 1 down on B minor and 1 down on A with pauses in between. And that leads us to the second chorus. Okay, so remember, we played only 1 down per chord in the first chorus. Now we're going to play 2 downs for all these same chords. So you're going to play G2, D2, E minor 2, A2, then G2, D2, and on the final chord A, you're going to play 4 downs. And you're going to play all that for 2 rounds. So like this. And second round, same. Okay, so that is this second chorus. Okay, and then comes the second verse. You're gonna play that in the same way, almost. You're gonna play the same chords. It's D, 4, B minor 4, G4, A4. You're gonna play for 3 rounds, but you're gonna skip the last A, okay? So you're gonna play almost 3 full rounds of that same playing in the verse. Okay, after that comes the third chorus. This differs from the other ones. Not in the style of playing, but the chords differs, okay? So we're gonna go up a little bit in key here, in tune. So what you're gonna play now is A2, E2, F sharp minor 2, and B2, then A2, E2, and B4. And you're gonna play that for 4 full rounds, okay? So let's do a run around together. It goes like this. Okay, so that is 1 round. You're gonna play it for 4 rounds, and after that third chorus, you're gonna play the outro, which is simply to play 1 down on C sharp minor with a pause, and 1 down on B. And that, my friends, sums it up for Dov Cameron's Hello, My Old Lover. So yes, a pretty straightforward song. I've actually really liked this one, and yeah, it's very straightforward when it comes to the playing. The chords are a couple, yes, aware of that, and many of them are bar chords, but since you get the hang of it, it's pretty much just to play it. So anyway, good luck with this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.